Company Octane here, head of PR for Gorilla Corp. In just a few moments, you will be joining Lemming himself as you board our brand new drill to dig deeper into Gorilla World. We are happy you're joining us on this exciting, totally safe, and completely secure journey. Enjoy!
Hey every monkey, can you see me okay? We're wrapping up the last few safety checks and modifications. Right now everything's looking really good. I'm going to be your pilot on the drill today, and you're not going to believe where we're going. I hope you're all ready for an adventure. Everyone just hang on tight and enjoy the ride. Okay, let's dig deeper!
This is your pilot speaking. If you look outside on your left, you'll see dirt. But if you look out to your right, more dirt.
As long as we're going to be here for a while, anybody want to hear about some of the origins of this place? Well, it was a long time ago, but Lucy and I... Oh, wait, I think I see something up ahead. It looks like we hit a wall into a giant cavern. Hold on. We're too heavy. Everyone hold on to something. Is everyone okay? Just hang tight. It's going to take me a minute to power the drill back up again. What? This doesn't make any sense. I'm picking up something moving in the cavern. I'm not picking up anything on the monitors. Does anybody see anything? I think it might be really big. It's some kind of monster. Mungus is real. Hold on, we're getting out of here. Oh man, that really did a lot of damage. It's going to be dangerous to keep drilling with all of those dents. See if you can do anything about them. I think if you can bash those dents back into place, it should be safe to keep drilling again. Great job fixing those dents. I think that did the trick. Okay, we're moving again. Whoa. Okay, I don't think he's going to be able to follow us here. Don't panic. Actually, that was a great time to panic. Keep fixing those dents quick. If you don't fix them, we won't be able to get out of here. Hey. this guy. The drill wasn't built to take this much damage. We need to get rid of Munkus, and we need to do it now. I'm picking up something ahead. Yes, this is what we thought was down here. We can't let Munkus stop us now. I've got an idea. It's a long shot, but it just might work. If we can overload the drill's engines, then I think we can shock Munkus. I need you to go pull the levers by the engines. Hurry! You did it! You drove him away! Oh, I don't think that's the last we've seen of him, but we should be safe for now. But we did it! We made it! Look outside. Isn't it incredible? I've never seen anything like it. It's going to take a little while to get a forward base set up, but in the meantime, why don't you take a look around? I'm not picking up any activity on the sensors, so everything should still be inert. When you're done, you should be able to take the path back up to the city. Thanks again for all your help. We couldn't have done it without you. There's still a lot more work to do, so I'm going to get started. Thanks for all your help, Monkey, and I'll see you next mission.